How to download and play Forza Horizon 5 and 6 on your PC. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So the first step is to open up Microsoft Store on your device. Now here, open up Microsoft Store, and from here you want to scroll down and click on Top Free Games. Click on this option and here you're going to find different free games. Now here you want to search for Forza Horizon. You can also search it if you want, otherwise just scroll down and you're going to find it right here. So click on this. Now click on Get. Once you do that, you will have to select the location where you want to download this file. Now select the location from here, and after that you want to click on the option of Install. So once you have installed this app, you can start playing this game on your PC, and that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.